It will cure your depression, clear your skin. It's Chick-fil-A sauce herself. Did I contaminate the experiment? Wait, what's happening? Is it working? Put some ice in a blender and pour this baby in. We're gonna be doing some TikTok hacks. They're gonna be absurd, interesting, fascinating, helpful, probably not. Will you laugh? I sure hope so. Honestly, I'm trying to see if these TikTokers are liars because some of these claims are just outrageous. I will be utilizing all these random things that you see right here because that's what mentally stable people do. I'm gonna throw up each TikTok hack somewhere on the screen if you want to follow along. Some of them I don't have because either I found them randomly or they're just like lost. You know how TikToks just randomly disappear? What is that about? But the ones that I do still have, of course, I'll still stick up, or if I don't have it, I'll just try to explain it well in the video. Let's just move the stuff out of the way so we can start with the first hack. I also dressed like an e-boy for this occasion. I feel very TikTok-y. I have the starry light in the background. You can't see it because of the lighting, but it's still there for the visual effect. Okay, people, I'm giving you the content, baby, content. The first hack is solving a Rubik's Cube under 10 seconds. Let's review the TikTok. He's basically saying, turn the left corner clockwise and the top of it the other way. By the way, if you still have a Rubik's Cube, I'm a little concerned because I've never heard of anyone actually solving these except magicians. We're gonna do that number, we're gonna do this number, and we're gonna keep doing it until it's solved. So let's go. This TikTok hack is a fail. Like most men in my life, this man is also a liar. The next TikTok hack is completely pointless, messy, and probably will disgust me. But we're going to do it anyways. The first thing you need is some glue and also some Morton salt. Apparently, you can squeeze glue all over your hands and the salt will make it not sticky. So I'll just throw up that TikTok there. Things are about to get real messy. We're gonna commit. It feels disgusting. Oh no, it's pouring, it's pouring. I gotta be quick. Oh no, I poured way too much salt. Wait, what's happening? Is it working? It's kind of working, but like, what a waste of salt. Oh no, this is bad. Oh wait, it's working, it's working. It just need a second, You gotta have, oh wow. It's falling off. I retract what I said earlier, it works. That was actually pretty cool. Also, I just have the attention span of a 5-year-old, so of course I would find this interesting. For the next hack, you're gonna get a plate and some Sharpies and you can write on the surface and it'll kind of lift up and jiggle. Take this plate right here that I don't really use so I can write on it. We're gonna write something very heartfelt. Something sweet, something very meaningful to me that I'm sure will help a lot of you guys with your journey. So this is what I wrote. Oh, it's blown out. We're gonna have to do this vlog style. This is my heartfelt message. We're gonna go ahead and pour some water. Hope it works. Fingers crossed. Oh wow. Absolutely nothing's happening. Oh wait, we have a floater. It's kind of working. Maybe it takes a minute. Ooh, I'm gonna try another one. By the way, while you're here, you might as well follow my Instagram. Keep up with me, stay in touch, get some behind the scenes. Check it out. This is attempt number 2. Me and my friends out and about. Why isn't mine working? That was a fail. Anyway, shop Alicia Marie. As you can tell, most of the hacks I have tried have been epic failures. Do I have hope for the rest of this video? I do. So we will journey to the kitchen to do the rest of the hacks. Hello everyone, we're back in the kitchen. It is much later. It is actually nighttime here now. I decided it would be a good idea to take a nap in between my video, and so if I look a little disheveled, that is why. Okay guys, the most exciting hack I found. I'm like quaking. You guys know I'm the #1 Chick-fil-A stan. I saw this girl take one of each sauce and mix it all together and eat her nuggets and fries. You guys, I can't handle any more disappointment in this video, so I really hope this hack is real and not like a scam. I will be doing a live review and taste test and tell you if this TikTok hack is worth it. Can I just add in the pure look of terror when I asked a Chick-fil-A worker for all 7 sauces? She literally looked at me like,
"Sweetie, we're in a pandemic."
Okay, this is kind of hard because I'm standing, but I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Polynesian sauce. Next up is Miss Chick-fil-A sauce herself. I'm doing an even amount, so we're being fair here. We're being liberal. Sweet and spicy sriracha. I've never heard of this. If I get food poisoning or throw up from this, I'm gonna be pissed. Ooh, a little too much mustard. Not the biggest fan of mustard, but she's going into zesty buffalo. Ooh, Miss Buffalo. She dripped in there. She's a little messy. Barbecue. We like barbecue in this house. Oh no. Did I contaminate the experiment? Last but not least, Miss Herb Garden Ranch. Since I don't know what to stir it with, I'm gonna use a reusable straw, so let's see. It's kind of art. It kind of smells good. Honestly, it kind of looks like my proper foundation match. We're gonna heat up the nuggets and fries and we're gonna try this and hopefully I don't throw up. We have secured the nuggets. Now we're gonna dive in. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna mix it a little more with the nug, you know, to really have that fair review. Okay, I'm really terrified now. Oh wow, it tastes amazing. I can't even describe it. It's like almost like a spicy, zesty Chick-fil-A sauce. If you try this at home, please tag me because I need your live reactions to this. I guess TikTok's on to something with this one, so thank you. This one gets an approval. Oh wow. That was like my 8th nugget. I got like a 20 count. Delicious. By the way guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Comment below what you're liking so far and what you thought about the video. Also, I read all the comments. You guys are so funny. And all like the thumbs up and the comments really help the growth of my channel as well. So thank you so much for that too. You guys already know I am the king of frappuccinos. I've been seeing all over TikTok these people turning these into the frappuccinos you get at the store. All you need to do is put some ice in a blender and pour this baby in, but kind of freeze this a little bit. They said, I'm gonna pour this in my blender, only a little bit because it's super late. I honestly should not be drinking coffee and I'll let you know if it tastes like a frappuccino or not because I'm the only one certified to do something like this. So she's blended. The consistency is kind of like a frappuccino, but I'll be the judge of that. Okay. It tastes more like a milkshake. It might be my blender, honestly, or maybe I didn't put enough ice, but it does taste good. So I'll give this a pass just in this instance. Also, this was just my excuse to drink coffee at 12 a.m. So last but not least, what you've all been waiting for, Miss Orange. I was watching TikToks and I saw literally hundreds of TikToks claiming that eating an orange in the shower will give you a sense of euphoria, bliss, joy. It will cure your depression, clear your skin, end world hunger. I'm gonna go cut this video. I'm gonna go take a quick little body shower and eat this orange and I'll report back my findings. So while I was in there, I just focused on eating the orange. I didn't even wash my face or anything because I remembered I had to film my outro for this video. It was such an odd experience. I did feel some endorphins pumping. I felt like an animal just like tearing away at an orange with no regard, juices getting everywhere. Definitely recommend trying it. But will I say it cured my depression? Definitely not.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna stick to my medication. And that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you liked about the video. Let me know what I should do for my next video. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Same time, same place. Bye.